All right, what's up, y'all? I'm here to share with you a magical recipe. It's called the YamYolk, and we use it for competition day. I don't know if y'all know or care. I'm sure you don't. It doesn't matter. But I'm in a competition tomorrow. It's just a fun competition. We're not going there taking it serious or anything. It's called the Granite Games. It's a CrossFit competition. Me and two of my really good friends, John Nixon and Brandon Murray, are competing in a team called the Shitheads, or SHT Heads. Sorry. So usually we recommend going into most workouts fasted, right? And I will definitely go into the first one tomorrow fasted, but tomorrow is a day of, I think, 4 workouts. And so with multiple workouts, you definitely want to replace glycogen stores. So I have this really cool recipe that I came up with called the YamYolk, all right? And I will share that with y'all. So the ingredients for this are going to be, the star of the show is Japanese yams. I got 3, 1 for myself and 1 for each of my boys. Right? We're also going to use pastured egg yolks. We're going to use a massive amount of good quality butter, always with the bite marks. And then we'll have some unrefined salt. Here I'm using some Celtic salt and a little bit of honey. We mix all that together, and it's a glycogen replenishing, easy to digest formula that is perfect for competition days. All right? So if you want the actual recipe, you can message me or however the heck we do that on this thing. So now, first thing I'm gonna do is cook my potatoes in an Instant Pot. So I got my little pot here, I got grate, and then I've got just a little bit of water in here so the Instant Pot can pressurize. I'm gonna put this in the Instant Pot with my potatoes, and then I'm just going to steam these for, make sure that's on. I'm gonna steam these for 20 minutes. I think that should be good enough time to get them nice and soft, all right? So 20 minutes, and then we'll be back and finish the rest of the recipe. All right, we're back on making this YamYolk. Potatoes, after 20 minutes, they're super soft. So I'm gonna be peeling off the skin. It just comes off super easy, just like that. And it is hot. I'll mash it up to the best of my abilities without burning my hands. All right, I'm just peeling these. Whew. Skin just comes sliding off, which is really cool. But they're also hot. Holy moly. Skin comes off. Potatoes are nice and mushy. This is good, so we're going to mix all this up. And remember, this is our YamYolk. The YamYolk is famous because we use it as our competition, multiple workouts in a day, glycogen replenishing, nutrient replenishing, easy to digest little mix. All right, so we've got our 3 Japanese yams. I've got some melted butter that I melted in a saucepan we're going to add to the mix. Now, the yams, starchy, so again, easy to digest carbohydrates. So we're going to have these multiple workouts in a day that are very intense. So we kind of want to replenish some of the muscle glycogen. So the yams are great for that. The butter has fat-soluble nutrients. It also has medium-chain triglycerides, which are a fat-based source of energy, which are very easy for the body to digest and use. So that's the reason we have that in there. Then I've got 6 pastured egg yolks. Look how beautiful those are. They're orange, dark orange, right? This is the difference between pastured egg yolks and conventional eggs, which would be like a pale yellow, which they're still fine, they're great, but this is really high quality stuff. So we're gonna put these in here and mash it all up. Now, egg yolks are very easy to digest. One of the first foods recommended by the Weston A. Price Foundation for babies, and they don't need to be cooked, right? So I'm gonna mash all that up, and then I'm also gonna throw in a little bit of my Celtic salt. All right, salt has electrolytes, sodium chloride, is really good for, we're gonna be blowing through a lot of nutrients as we're doing these workouts. This is gonna make this taste good. And then I'm also gonna add some honey for the glucose and to make it taste good. And honey is a superfood we absolutely love and adore, right? So this mix right here, not recommended to be eaten every day during the day, but because we got these multiple workouts, I'm gonna do a couple of spoonfuls of this in between each workout. Then I'm just gonna mash it all up. So again, in here, we've got the sweet potatoes. They're nice and soft, pressure cooked, time efficient. We've got the 6 egg yolks, 2 per potato. We've got salt, Himalayan salt or Celtic salt, and then we've got honey. This is just gonna be, it's gonna taste amazing, but it's also gonna be very easy to digest. Glycogen replenishing. It's got some beneficial nutrients. It's got the salt. And it's all very, very easy to digest, which is what we want, because as we're working out, we don't want something heavy in our stomachs. You know, personally, I'm not going to have any meat or anything in between these workouts because that's going to take some time to digest. This stuff, a couple spoonfuls in between the workouts, and we're going to feel amazing from it. I'll do this with some bone stock. There we have it, y'all. Now, not following the Island plating technique, we're still just going to taste this as is. Spork, because I love using sports. All right, let's just taste this. Oh my God, so good. And good for you. Boom. Now, pro tip, treat and eat the yam yolk with respect.